Hi everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Let me introduce myself. My name is Gail, and yung topic natin tonight sa ating YouTube channel ay hindi muna about sa wrestling. Our topic that we're gonna talk about tonight are about Filipino toxic traits. So, ang daming issue na nangyayari sa ating bansa ngayon. It's either in the entertainment industry or politician or politics industry or I don't know, or government, public servant. I know what you call that, pero grabe, nakakaawa ngayon ng mga Pilipino. Ang dami na ngang kurakot na opisyal sa gobyerno, lumagdag pa ang mga basher. Like, nakakaano lang, no? Nakakatawa. Kasi nga, ini-introduce tayo sa ibang bansa as a smiley, like friendly, generous, pero it's like a mask. Just like a mask na lang. Pero I'm not telling na all ha. Lahat ganun. Some of us are very, very, very unbelievable. So, yun nga, naririnig natin sa news about dun sa mga sa flood control issue. Tas malalaman mo pala ninanakaw yung mga buwis nating mga Pilipino. Bahala ko pa naman sana magpa-teen ID. Kasi kailangan ko ng teen ID, guys, para maka-earn ako dito sa ating pag-content creating. Kailangan natin magkaroon ng teen, di ba? And lang na ganun pala. Doon pala mapupunta yung mga buwis natin dun sa mga taong dapat magserbisyo para sa mga Pilipino or dapat na magserbisyo sa gobyerno para sa mga Pilipino. Pero anong nakikita mo? You know what I mean. Plus, ito pa, corrupt na may mga corrupt na mga tao sa gobyerno. Plus, mga basher, mga toxic-minded na mga netizens na hindi mo alam kung anong kasalanan ginawa mo, tas bigla-bigla na lang sa'yo ng nagbabato sa'yo ng mga salita na hindi naman dapat ibato. Diba? Yes, I'm talking about the meaning issue. I'm a Bloom. I'm proud to be one. But hey, really? They're too young. And actually, guys, they are 2 or 3 years younger than me. I'm 25 already. Pero guys, hindi ba kayo hindi na-awa, sorry for the word. Hindi ba kayo I don't know what word to say. Hindi ba kayo didiri sa sarili nyo? Guys, we're supposed to be teaching them, not criticize them overly. Hindi dapat tayo manghusga. Instead, tulungan natin sila. And yes, they held accountable to their mistakes, to what we did before. Pero guys, totoo lang tayong preference eh. May iba't iba tayong taste. Tas, eto pa. May isang chismosong na wala naman dito sa bansang to. I'm not gonna mention his name. Pero, nangingialam sa mga isyong hindi dapat pakikialaman. Nag-i-invade ng privacy matters na hindi dapat ini-invade. Because it's their private life. And we just need for them to wait. You know? Like, we just need to wait. I'm sorry. We just need to wait for them to come out. And from them the whole and for them to tell the whole story. Kaso lang, inuunahan natin eh. Sa mga chismis, sa mga ganyan. Low grade lang na, ganun pala ang Pilipinas, ganun pala ang mga Pilipino, nag-i-invade ng privacy, walang boundaries. It's so sad na makikita mo talaga na ganun sila, like walang boundaries, nangingialam, nang babash, nag-victim blame, nang nanakaw. Ouch! Kaya nga, yes, Philippines is a country that's full of smiles, full of hospitality. Pero don't be fooled by those things. Yes, some people might be nice, but overall, corruption, toxic traits, slab mentality. And talagang hindi natin maiiwasan na ganito. Pero we just want to raise awareness for this kind of our environment. As for me, as a person with disability, may mga pangangailangan ako. Pero hindi talaga like I'm trying not to be dependent on my parents because again, I'm already 25 and I recently graduated from senior high school last April. I recently graduated on I just recently graduated as a senior high school graduate. And nag-take ako sa TESDA ng content creation. Like, yeah, I have claimed my 4 courses from what I learned from TESDA online program. I have 4 certificate of completion. Kasi nga guys, gusto ko maging content creator. Matagal ko nang gustong mag-create ng content dito sa aking YouTube channel at sa lahat na ng social media platforms na meron ako. And nag-affiliate na rin ako sa Shopee. And I just wanna say thank you sa lahat ng mga nagsusuporta sa akin. Family ko, partner ko in Dubai. Shoutout to you, Pai. To his family also. Shout out sa family ko sa Ozamis. Nandyan yung brother ko, nagsistudy. Shout out to all the people in the wrestling community. To all my friends Shout out din sa inyo, sa mga friends ko, sa mga, wrestling promotion dito sa Pilipinas. And, overall, this is my advice para sa lahat ng mga taong may mental health issue, including me. If you are weak or sensitive, hindi pala weak, sensitive. If you're a sensitive person, I'm a sensitive person. If you're a sensitive person and you're pursuing content creation, plus na ka lang mga crab people, ililo mo muna yung sarili mo. Lilo ka muna. Grab your strength first. Be with your family. Ask for their support. Kung relihiyoso ka, mag-pray ka. Kung ano man ang religion mo. And be strong. Claim your voice again sa mga bagay na mo. Hindi ko alam. Claim your voice again from the people who have stolen your voice. So now I'm claiming mine. Because I have been there before. I have been there for what, sa mga content creators na nababash na for no reason or with the reason, I have been there. And believe me guys, sobrang nakakababa siya sobrang nakakababa siya ng confidence. Nai-insecure ka talaga. So kung sino man ang manonood nito, take it from me. Take it from me. If you are really, really strong person na makakaya mo ang mga ganitong bagay, good job. Good job, guys. Good job na na-survive nyo ang mga bagay na ganito. At sa mga taong medyo sensitive, please, setbacks muna kayo. Gain yourself, gain your strength, and then go. Ganun lang. So, that's the advice that I want to give you. So, this is Gail. See you on our next vlog. I love you guys. Good evening, Philippines.